Okay, so let's start with the first question. First, we want to find the value of 8 factorial. 8 factorial is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so 5 2s are 10, 4 3s are 12. So we have 120. Okay, 4 3s are 12. 12 into 6, 72 into 10. So it is 720 into this 8 into 7 is 56. Okay, so let's do 720 into 56, or I will do just 72 into 56. So 6 2s are 12, 40. So, and then 72 into 5, it will be 360. Correct? So the sum is 2 3, we have 4, and one last 0, so we have 4 0 3 2 0. So don't go into how I calculated that, but we know 8 factorial is 8 factorial is 40320. So which numbers you multiply first, it is not going to matter. You just need to understand what 8 factorial means and then calculate that. Now to find 10 factorial, we have to take, so 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. So because we have already the value of 8 factorial, you can multiply it by 9 and 10, and you will get the answer to be 3628800. Okay, so I will leave this to you to find it out. Now next question, 10 factorial minus 6 factorial. So we know 6 factorial is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So we already know it is 720, but I can again calculate. 5 into 2 is 10, remaining 6 into 4 into 3. So 4 3 is 12, 12 into 6, 72, 72 into 10, 720. We already know 10 factorial is equal to 3628800. So then 10 factorial minus 6 factorial is equal to the subtraction of the two, 3628800 minus 720, and the answer is 3. Okay, so you can write the subtraction, and the subtraction will be 362080. Okay, sorry, I think I have, okay, I have not written it correctly, so let me write it again. 3628800 we have, and we have to subtract 720 out of it. Okay, so what's the answer then? 3628080. So okay, the answer is 3628080. That is the answer of the third question. And the last one, fourth one, 10 minus 6 factorial. So 10 minus 6 is 4, so it is 4 factorial. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So which is 3 to the 6, 6 4 the 24. So the answer of the fourth question is 24. I hope you have understood all these 4 answers. After that, let's go for the next question. Okay, so let's solve second ka first. So it is 12 factorial upon 6 factorial, which is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial. So 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial is 1. The remaining portion we need to multiply, and that multiplication you can do it by yourself. It is going to be 665,280. That is 6,65,280. So that is the answer. but the second one, okay, the second one is 12 upon 6 factorial, but 12 by 6 is already 2, so it is 2 factorial, and 2 factorial is 2 into 1, which is 2. So the answer of the second one is 2. For the third question, it is 3 into 2 factorial, which is 6 factorial, and 6 factorial is equal to 720. I hope you know how to find it out now. The fourth one is 3 factorial into 2 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, so which is 6, and 2 factorial is 2, so the answer is 12. Okay, so here the answer is 720, and here the answer is 12. Let's solve the next question now. 9 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 factorial. I will write 9 factorial as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. And here we have 3 factorial. So 3 factorial is actually 3 into 2 into 1 into 6 factorial as it is, and 6 factorial will get cancelled. So when you could have cancelled 3 factorial also, but it's always better if you cancel out the bigger terms so that the calculation is easier. Now this 3 9 here we will have 3 and 4. So our answer is, okay, so 84. I hope you know how to multiply the numbers and all, so that's with you now. Now let's solve. Okay, so this was the fifth question which we solved. Now let's solve the sixth one. So we want to solve 6 factorial minus 4 factorial upon 4 factorial. So this is 6 into 5 into 4 factorial minus 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. So I can divide 4 factorial in both the cases, and now that is equal to 6 5 is 30 minus 1, so 29. Okay, so the answer for this sixth question is 29. These are very simple questions, yet I am solving this for you क्योंकि थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस भी बढ़ना चाहिए कि कैलकुलेशंस कैसे करते हैं. ऑब्वियसली आप अपने हिसाब से करके देखेंगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा बिफोर यू लुक फॉर द आंसर्स विच आई एम टेलिंग. नाउ सेवंथ वन का आंसर we have 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial minus 4 factorial. So obviously हमने कौन सा कॉमन निकालना चाहिए, 4 factorial. So we have न्यूमरेटर में 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 6 into 5 into 4 factorial minus 4 factorial. 4 factorial का कॉमन निकाल के कैंसिल करो. So we have 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 upon 6 5 the 30 minus 1, so that is 29. Okay, so simply multiply the numerator and denominator, and the answer is some 57.9 something approximately. So I will leave that calculation to you कि आप कैसे न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करके बाद में सॉल्व करोगे. So then we have 8 factorial upon 6 minus 4 factorial. देखो ये 6 फैक्टोरियल माइनस 4 फैक्टोरियल था, यहाँ पर 6 माइनस 4 फैक्टोरियल. ये ज़्यादा आसान है क्योंकि हियर वी हैव 8 फैक्टोरियल एंड 6 माइनस 4 मतलब 2 फैक्टोरियल. 2 फैक्टोरियल की वैल्यू 2 है और 8 फैक्टोरियल की वैल्यू हमने पहले क्वेश्चन में निकाल ली थी 40320. सो उसका हाफ विल बी, हियर वी हैव 20 and 160, so 20160. So okay, these are the first two questions of the assignment. Let's continue with the next questions.